Alright guys, so today we've already done a few jobs, but this is going to be the next one that is a little bit more complex. The customer already replaced this shock a couple days ago basically, but the shock is faulty. It makes clunking sounds whenever you kind of just move the car side to side. So she got a replacement. You're going to be replacing this one again. Well, actually, I didn't replace this one. A buddy of mine did, but it's effective. So we're gonna be replacing this strut complete. So we got, obviously, we gotta put the stand. We got a 721 inch for the wheels to take the wheel off, 21 inch, and then we gotta remove the link, and then these two bulbs here, and then we got these three guys up here. So let me loosen those up and let me get that replaced real quick, and then to put it back on, it was going to be the same way. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so the old one is out. We're going to be putting the new one back in. 17 and 19 are the bolt size for the arm itself. So now we just gotta put this one back in, which is the new one. So what you want to do is you want to take these nuts out, present the shock on top, and hold it by putting these nuts on top, and then you can play with the bottom once you have everything holding up in place. So let's do that, and I'll get back to you guys right now. Alright guys, so everything is tied down here. I'm just gonna hook this guy up here. Ow. And we gotta put this guy back on. With this nut. And then that's it. Make sure that's tight. This plug on, that's tight. And the ones up here are tight. So that's how you replace a shock on a, I believe it's an 09 Santa Fe. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Alright guys, like always, chill, like, subscribe, help me help you, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.